Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. All eyes today on Hurricane Francine, which will be making landfall to the Louisiana coastline likely later this evening. So the winds currently up to 90 miles per hour, and we're beginning to see some of those outer bands move into the ArkLaTex this morning. So many of you waking up to just some light rain there, and we're still expecting very minor impacts. So this is playing out as best as it could for us here in the ArkLaTex. Of course, thoughts today with everybody down on the coast that will be dealing with some of the storm surge and the higher winds with this system. We're just going to have a breezy and kind of cooler day here in the ArkLaTex, but we're not expecting any flooding, any kind of damaging wind, or any kind of severe weather at this point. So the latest advisory on Francine does show it becoming a Category 2 hurricane as it kind of slowly approaches southeast Louisiana later today. So it should make landfall maybe closer to sunset tonight, and the track will take it pretty quickly through Louisiana and into Mississippi and just kind of out into the woods here as we continue through the rest of the week. So we will see some rain today, but we will see much improving weather likely by tonight and tomorrow. And you can see all of the dry air. We talk about the track of these systems, how you prefer to be on the west side or the left side of the hurricane as you're kind of looking at the screen here. That's the side with all the dry air, and that's going to limit, again, the potential of seeing any flash flooding today. And everybody remembers Tropical Storm Beryl earlier this summer when we had 50 plus tornado warnings in one day. East side of the storm here is usually where you see all the wind, tornadoes, and the correct dynamics to kind of see the severe weather. So the severe weather expected to be over to the east side of this hurricane today. So there's really no threat for us to see any kind of damaging wind or tornadoes. In fact, as of the update this morning, we're only down to about a 1% chance of seeing tropical storm force winds. I'm expecting the wind gusts today will probably be about 20 to 25 miles per hour, and that's basic wind gusts for our part of the country here. This is typically what we see anytime a cold front moves through. So this is the kind of wind that we are used to in this part of the country. So a 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gust not going to be enough to cause any tree damage or any kind of power outages today, but we will be kind of in and out of these scattered showers and storms. In fact, the Weather Prediction Center really pushing the corridor of heavy rain over into Mississippi. So the expectation as of now is most areas will pick up maybe an inch of rain or less over the next 24 hours or so. And again, you can see just some of the light to moderate rain that is moving in this morning. These heavier rain bands may set up at times later this morning and through the afternoon, especially down towards Natchitoches. So look at your Robinson Futurecast here, shows us just kind of in and out of the light to moderate rainfall throughout the day today. Every once in a while you may hear a crack of thunder, but again, doubtful we'll see any severe weather. I would expect the showers will continue tonight, but we should see quickly improving weather on Thursday, and will likely completely dry up by the time we get to Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. And you can see the temperature is much nicer for us today. You almost feel guilty just how quietly things will play out here, and we'll actually get a comfortable day out of it in the 70s and low 80s here. Again, with the improving weather, our temperatures will be back to about 90 degrees on Friday, and the weekend looking like a September weekend. Typically we'll have highs around 90 degrees or so. Could see a quick shot of rain on Sunday, not enough to cancel any outdoor plans that you may have lined up here, but there may be quick shower late in the weekend, and much of next week looking to stay dry with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s.